Peppa Pig gets grounded. Get her! Oh, I'm not gonna let you get away! Ha! You don't hit me!
Peppa throws George in the microwave and gets grounded.
Peppa, George, get here quick. What now, Daddy? We're going to buy a new microwave today. Yeah, let's go in a car. Yay! Yay! Which one should we go? Oh, I like the look of this one. Hey, Mommy Big Cats. Wait, no! Oh! Oh my God, are you okay? Mommy Pig, are you okay? Oh, fuck my bloomin' head. Why aren't you gonna fucking microwave with me like that? Oh, I'm sorry. Your hand must have not been quick enough to catch it. Okay, let's just take it home, shall we? Okay, wonder what we're gonna put in the microwave first. I'm gonna put George in the microwave. Peppa, did you just throw your own little brother in the microwave? No. Tell me the truth! Okay, fine, yes. You're so grounded! Now go to your room! Oh my God! It's okay, George. It's okay. You have been sentenced to death by electrocution. Do you have any last words? Make it quick. I'm sorry, George, for killing you. I deserve this. I think we're done. There is a special place in hell for her.
Oh, be quiet. This is what you did to your brother, right? Well, guess what? He's up in heaven, and you're down in here. And you want to know why? Punishments. Punishments. You're down here for a reason, you know. Too many reasons. You killed your brother, and yeah. I had a brother. He was dumb and fat. You know what? I don't care. Sit down and burn for eternity.
The end.